Hey guys, in today's video we'll install BONOSS with spacer for this BMW 5 series. Let's see the difference after install 20mm with spacers.
By increasing the track width, these BMW with spacers help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to better handling, increased driver confidence, and more comfortable driving. Upgrading performance with BMW with spacers is safe for daily driving. If you install them correctly, quality spacers won't cause any problems. In reality, properly installed car wheels with wheel spacers are as safe as wheels without spacers. As a reliable, precise hub-central wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. From sizes to tolerance, we are strict with ISO standards. For connecting parts, the higher the precision, the better the performance. The amount of tolerance reflects the precision. BONOSS hub-central wheel spacers are CNC machined, precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS with spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.